All right, everyone. Can you guys hear me? What is up? You guys are already chatting. Yeah, let someone let me know if you guys can hear the music and my voice. Okay. Got the air condition on high. Who I can see in here? What's up, Slava? What's up, Kura? Haven't seen you in a while. What's up, Metal Detecting? We got Bryant in the house. Silver's in the house. All right, I gotta get caught up on what we're doing here. What's up, Nowak? How you doing, my man? I don't even know what the market's doing. Hello. All right, yeah. Got stuck in traffic, so I couldn't really make it in the time I wanted to. But we're here. Oh, it does sound windy? Let me fix that. All right, that should be a little better. So what is the market up to? My phone took a vacation. Did you break it or did you just get off of it for a while? Kind of hard to do that when you're invested in crypto. Oh, what the hell? Bitcoin's at 115? Oh, man, we are back, huh? What do we got? A day left on the 3-day candle. Yeah, if this weekly candle on Bitcoin doesn't get stuck, come all the way back down and get stuck back below here with a large wick, we're in good shape here. Wow. Can't believe we're at 115K already. Is there anything else moving? Turbo. Oh, it hit 117K. Wow. So is Turbo moving? Is there anything moving? Or are we just sitting here still? Let's see. We only got 19 people in here. But yeah, I just wanted to jump on here real quick. It wasn't going to be a long stream, but just to make sure you guys know I'm still alive. And of course, when I'm not streaming, we start moving. What are we looking at Turbo at? Oh yeah, Turbo we got the new chart for. Yeah, the market's doing exactly what we want it to, exactly when it needs to. Especially when you zoom out. We're on our way to the top. What's up, Muffin Man? What's up, Alex? Or not Alex, Alan. Alan's in the house. What's up, Eldor? Supra looks good. What's up, Beast Mode? Yeah, I'm still having trouble talking, so just so you guys are aware. My mouth is not completely healed yet. But this is what we're looking for on something like Turbo. We've been saying over the last couple of times we looked at Turbo, bounced off the large wedge, and it's time to make its way to the top of the market cycle. What did you say? Yeah, I saw XRP was pumping. Jasmine, what is Jasmine doing? I see some Jasmine being mentioned. What did ZBCN ever do? Damn, I can't believe I went 4 days without even looking at anything. Yeah, Jasmine's still down at the bottom. It's stuck still. Let's see. Yeah, it's still stuck in a downtrend. So metal, if you're still here, it's at resistance right now. I would say once it breaks the downtrend, there's really running out of time to go down. So very short term on Jasmine. It's still in a downtrend. Keep that in mind. So it's still bearish. So it needs to hold over 135. Ooh, and break over 147. Confirmation would be over, I would say, the 618. High to the low, break the 618, break the trend, then you got confirmation it's going up. Yeah, I wonder what the weekend's gonna do. I have to work the next couple of days. We got beast mode for 2. Supra. I appreciate the 2. I appreciate the support. Ooh, it's getting hard to talk again. I gotta get this figured out already. Supra. Yeah, we've looked at Supra before. Supra. Oh, she's pumping, but let's pull this down. I don't know why that was there. Well, I think we had it here just to kind of show you that the previous bottom is now resistance. So if it can get and stay over about 3.8, 3.9, I would say you're in good shape. And if we pull this down, let's see if it matches up. So yeah, 3.9 to 4, 4.5. We'll just keep it simple. 236, got to get over 4.6 or it's still bearish. Even all the way up to 008, pretty much. But is that the bottom on Supra? I'll just keep it simple. 4.6 and then 8. Then you can be bullish on it. Other than that, technically, oh God. Technically, you can come up to either spot and still be bearish. But like I said, we're running out of time. Make sure I got it on the right thing. Yeah, no Dex Creator coins today. I can't talk anymore. Damn it. Supra, where's Supra going? I don't know what Supra is. But it's been asked for a couple times, so it's not like it's a dead coin. Supra, just to get back up here to where you have resistance and support. 2 pennies on Supra, I would say is very possible if it doesn't die from here, which it doesn't look like it's going to. That would be almost a 5x, and then 3.5 pennies would be your 9x from here. So almost a 10x. Your moonshot, what are we at? 003, 20 cent range, 22 cents would be a 54x from here. If you think 20 cents is possible. We got Rock for 279. I appreciate that. Can you look at Swift, please? Yeah, Swift's a good play. I wonder if it's still in the same spot. $0.05 on Jasmine. Yeah, let me get this. Let me do Swift. Yeah, I'm trying to give it days to all this stuff to get healed up. But when I start talking, it's painful. I don't know if you guys can tell now, it's starting to get slurred speech. What am I looking for? Swift coin, SWFTC. Swift's in the same spot, pretty much. It's just down a little. Yeah, I think Swift has a very good looking chart here. It's ready for the bull run. Consolidated, it's been making higher highs and higher lows. At some point, it's just going to have a God candle spawn in out of nowhere. But short term, support you're holding. It's good that it's holding over that previous high at 008. you simply pretty much hit the 382 and got stuck, as you can see. So short term, this 15 up to 16 has to break. Then you can be bullish on Swift again. And then as for Swift's God candle spawning in, and I don't know, is Swift going to $1? Man, I would take a gamble on that. All you need is a couple of God candles in a bull market. But the targets we have on Swift, just want to be really conservative from here, which is not a bad move. 10 pennies would be your first target. So 10 cents for almost a 10x, 20 cents for about an 18x, and then I think 50 cents is a really good target. May not agree with that, but 50 cents is right there. It's a 44x, but like I said, all you need is 2 of these to spawn in, and you're there. Yeah, Swift's going to be a good play. I still think we got to wait till November. October, November is going to be bullish. And then the top's going to be in really fast. All right, let me see what ZBCN's doing. Did it hold up or did it continue to fall? Oh, it's still holding up. It's holding our green support area, so not looking bad at all. This green support box is just, if we fall lower than that, then that was your top for now. It's coming way down. But it's holding. It's still holding. So ZBCN looks good. Someone said AIs, I think. Like I said, guys, I know we haven't been on here long, but I got to try to at least stream 30 minutes a day until this gets better. Yeah, we're seeing a nice little pump on a lot. What is AIs doing on the macro? Oh no. Yeah, just looking at AIs, we've been looking at this one forever. Someone said something about 70. But 20 cents, we called the bottom, or we didn't call it, but we said that had to be the bottom. That's your macro support area. You blew through, back tested. So just keep it simple in AI. It's got a nice little pump going on. But we'll just draw 2 little fibs on the chart to see. They're holding the 236 on the larger one. 38's the price to beat. And if we pull it into here, very short term, these are weekly candles. So we said 38, so 34 and then 38, and you can be bullish on it. First short term 34. But it's still holding up, and it's got that nice pattern we like to see. The whole market's doing the same thing in some way. Yeah, that's not bad. Double bottom, you held your 618 support. So that's a beautiful thing. That's what you want to see. There's nothing horrible about the chart. And then AOS to $5 from here if it holds up. What was that? Nah, it's a 14x to $5. If it doesn't break down, I'd say that's very possible. And I don't really go by what other people are saying out there, which is ridiculous, but let's see. Yeah, we did turbo already. Oh man. Turbo. Oh yeah, we did turbo. Yeah, you just zoom out to the monthly macro chart on turbo. It's holding this rising wedge. And it just bounced off of the wedge. It just bounced off the previous high from back here, just like it did here. And the trend, so it looks like the bottom is in. We've been saying it, I think, since this candle. And if it holds up, you're in a move for a move like this. So this may tell us exactly where turbo is going for all you turbos holders. Depends on how fast it goes up. But this would take you pretty much in November. 3-penny turbo, maybe a little higher, so maybe 5 pennies. So maybe we got a 15x to 6 cents, or maybe this thing rockets up here to 14. Breaks to the top of the wedge and does what is that? It's a 35x almost. I gotta get my phone now. Yeah, I think by December, if you're still in and you're excited with your money, it may be time to think about getting out, especially in December if we're going. Oh man. All right. What was the one? Brock said he just got off of work. Zbeck Network or there's no telling. They may run at the same time. They're still both holding up. All right. Griffin, let me do a couple more of these. Yeah, I can't wait till this heals up so I can get back to the normal 2-hour streams. It's ridiculous. Griffin, what is Griffin doing? Yeah, it's doing the same thing almost. There's nothing really bullish on it besides the most recent high. Trend, double bottom, whatever you want to call it. Doesn't look horrible. It looks like the beginning stages of a double bottom. And until alt season's actually here and people actually come back, we're going to go up like this, but we're not going to shoot up and have, well, some coins will, but not, these coins aren't going to just start going to the moon right now, in my opinion at least. And low to the high, everything you want to see. Griffin, 786 final support, trend line, and it's trying to hold over the 236 right now. So right now, if it holds over 5.3, bullish over 8.5. Yeah, Dog and Me hasn't moved. Griffin is at what? Coming up on 6 pennies already. Yeah, I mean, if people are going to buy this coin, I don't know what exchanges it's on, but a 27x almost to $1.50 new high. And of course, very possible if it doesn't die. 618 retracement will be a 3x. Oh, yeah. As long as Q&T is still over $100 on the monthly candle, then there's nothing to worry about. And that's something we needed to happen, that we've been waiting for, saying we're not bullish until Q&T is over with a monthly candle holding over the 3, 2, and of course the triangle pattern, which we got last month with the close, and now we're holding. And we went over that. That kind of told me that we're getting ready to go, or we're getting closer and closer to the breakout on all these coins. I'm not saying everything's going to go. Oh, my phone, I keep forgetting it's going off. But yeah, Q&T, I mean, it's a mixed bag of where it's going. New high, I think it's very possible. 7x up to 800. $1,100 is your 10x, $18 to $2,000 is your 20x, and if you're in the camp of 5,000 plus at some point, it's a large move. About a 40x. I think if I had Q&T $1,000 and I'm out, maybe hold to 2,000. Yeah, did we do the right, Griffin? Yeah, I think we did. PNG's probably copying AOS. Very similar charts. Yeah, PNG looks like Jasmine. I'm still holding the downtrend. You're holding the 382 on the monthly. So clearly, PNG here. PNG, let me get both hands on here. Long term, you're bullish over 11, and then 15 up to 20. 21's the price to be bullish again. But it looks like once you get back over this 15 area, let's pull this down. Screw it. Let's see if it tells us anything better. Yeah, 17 up to 20, and then you could be bullish again on Pangolin to break out. Other than that, I think the bottom is in. It's another coin that's on that macro area. If it breaks 382 below 11, then it's over. And then PNG, $2 maybe. $2 to $5. That's a 14, 15x to 2. Yeah, $5 would be a... I mean, it doesn't look too far-fetched on the monthly chart here. We just need the larger candles to spawn in. It's a 30, almost a 39x. Yeah, Bonk's going to be a good one. Bonk's on, what, Robinhood. Alright, Dogging Me and DGen. Ooh. Dogging Me hasn't moved, has it? Yeah, you guys ask for Dogging Me all the time, but it's not doing anything. It still looks really good chart here. Just at some point, it'll rocket out of here. Get in while you can, I guess. Not financial advice. I don't know why we have it at 10 cents. Yeah, I mean, Dogging Me top of the fib here. Pretty much 2 pennies is 25, 26x from here. I would say that's not bad. I would probably get out of this one at a penny. I don't know what it is or what it does, but I know it's going to rocket out of here. So many people ask for it. Yeah, I would say 1 to 2 pennies and be careful. Yeah, and if it's like DZ saying, it's low market cap. Is Dogging Me on Coinbase or Robinhood or Binance? Some crypto homes. I already did Dogging Me. What am I looking for? Oh, man. Bonk's pumping, huh? Oh, we're on the 3-day candles. We're two. Yeah, Bonk doesn't look bad at all. I don't know if this is the wrong chart, but it's doing like the rest of the market. Alright, yeah. Okay, DGen's the last one we're going to do. DGen's going to have to be it, guys, because I can't talk anymore. Yeah, the Bonk break the previous trend resistance area, the 618. So once you get over 403, you can be bullish on bonk finally to break out. So it needs the low to the high 618 to break at 3. And DGen's probably still below 7. Doing the same exact thing. They're all doing the same thing. Get me out of here. The same thing all the time. We're bullish and then we're back bearish. Yeah, DGen's holding over the larger 236 at 4. But until it gets up over 3.7, you can't be bullish. And I would imagine the next move up should get us over that and hold us over that. So a decent little run coming up. It's going to get stuck at 1, pull back, and then we'll see if it's time to go yet. If it goes too fast, then it'll come all the way back down, and we still got time to wait. Oh man, it sucks that we have 28 people in here. ABT getting stuck at 70. Let's see, ABT. I don't remember what arc block is doing. It's probably just simply getting stuck at a fib level. So if you go on the larger one, it's holding your 236 at 70. Oh man. And if we pull a smaller one up, I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it's not in a bad spot. Like I keep saying, it's doing like the rest of the market. If you want to go by this one, you're holding your 618 at 63, 73 is the price to beat. But that's what you want to see. Big double bottom, higher low, new trend in play. 618 holding. Once it gets back over about 85. Yeah, I think we said arc block back over $1 is bullish. It's just simply doing nothing right now. There's a million different things I guess you could draw on the chart to say, why is it here? Oh. Yeah, but I hope you guys have been doing good. I haven't been here all week. But hopefully you guys are still hanging in. We're getting so close. All-time high. I mean, looks like a gamble play to me. It did just put in a slightly higher low. It's back above the 786, so that is good. But the fact that he didn't make a lower low yet is good, but it doesn't look great. If you can hold the higher low, high to the low here, it needs to get over 3 and stay over 3, bullish over 3.5. Other than that, it just take your chance. See if this holds up. You get the idea. Just make sure this coin's on, I don't know, if this one on Coinbase. Just make sure it's on Robinhood, Coinbase. The masses are going to pile into these websites and just buy everything that moves. That's not bad. 24, 25 cents from 3. If that is the bottom, it's an 8x. It's not horrible. Yeah, same thing with Mog and Mudang. All these coins are gonna. I don't think you can go wrong with them. Yeah, high to the low. Mog is simply getting stuck at the 618 right now. So there's no breakout until you break the high to the low 618. So it has to get over 4 zeros, 1 4. 142. Yeah, if you get a monthly candle, it'll close over that, but that's 21 days away. First step is a weekly, 3 days. I think they're all getting stuck. Oh, a 3-day candle. Okay, you got a daily candle closed over. So if it gets to over 142, you're in business to finally start moving up again. And then Mog. Yeah, if we get a good run, then these Mogs and Mudangs and Pepes and whatever else, they're going to at least 10 to 15x, at least. 1618 retracement on Mog is a 15x from here. PHNIX. I think we looked at that before. Phoenix. Oh, PHNIX. Alright, we did look at it. Oh my god. Oh, it's been a while. Yeah, I mean, it looks like the rest of the market. This coin, I don't know what it is, but it's going sideways. It is pumping right now. But you're still technically making lower lows and lower highs, so it's still technically bearish, but I would say if we're going to draw the pattern on the chart, just doing what some of these other coins have been doing, just holding these wherever you want to draw the pattern, the triangle, the wedge, the whatever it's going to be. So it looks like once you get back over the 3-2, that's your bullish over 219 and possible breakout in play. Yeah. With a 3-day candle over that and you may be in business, just like QNT. Doesn't look horrible. It's not dying, so. Okay, but yeah, we're gonna have to end it here. New high on this one, 3033, would be a 19x from today, but it's still stuck in the pattern. Nah, my man, I haven't bought anything yet. It's still catching up on bills, still poor. Yeah, y'all, you guys don't get scared and sell. Not financial advice. Yeah, do what Slava said. Stay strong, my man. No, I'm not investing yet, but I'm hoping to get in. So I'm hoping we have this move up and then a move back down. But yeah, I'm going to try to get on here tomorrow after work, at least a 30-minute stream again. We're going to end the poll, 40 votes, not bad. Everyone, please hit the like button on your way out. I do appreciate you guys coming in here. And I'm going to try my best to be getting on here more and more. As soon as I get healed up. But yeah, I appreciate you guys coming in. Appreciate a couple of super chats. Look out for a stream tomorrow. I'm going to try my best. But yeah, I'm going to try to get some more streams going out. But I appreciate you guys coming in. As always, none of this is financial advice, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.